Hey, I know all of you have been asking for it, and now it's here with you. People have been coming to my inbox asking me about Tinypesa plugin, and now the Tinypesa plugin I have already developed it, and now it's ready for production. I'm going to show you how you can integrate it into your website. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get our latest uploaded video. So first I'm going to show you on how it works and explain how it works. So we're going just to do a trial on how it will be also in your website. So here, this is my website where, as I've stated, this is where I sell all my softwares and all my plugins, everything you need to know. This is a digital shop. So here you just come here at test. I'm going to use this test product. So I'm going to add it to cart. Then when I add it to cart here, I'm going to click checkout. So it will happen also on your website depending on the plugin that you have installed and the theme. So here you see, here this is where your customer can fill in all his information. When he fills, here at the bottom you will see, after you've installed your Tinypesa in your website, you will see here and payment method named Tinypesa will appear. So you can just click place order. So I'm going to place order on that so that we can see what will happen and how it will occur. So then you will see here your customer will be able to see here the information on how to pay using it. So and the number that the customer placed on the form that he was required to fill in some information will appear here, or he can use another number to pay where it's an editable. You can edit there, then just click make payment. So when you make payment here, let me add the screenshot. Yeah, you see here make payment. Now you see, let me complete the payment first. I'm going to enter my M-Pesa pin. Yeah, so let me enter my M-Pesa pin so that I can click complete order. So I've entered my M-Pesa pin. Let's wait for the message. Let's wait for the message first. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, here there is the message. Yeah, I've received the message. Now after payment, please click on check order button to complete your order. So when the customer clicks, the order will be completed and he will get, like here for me, I'm selling the downloadable product. It will redirect on what will be done after. It will do what you have set in your website to be done after and complete payment. Now the awesome thing about this, you can see here at my orders, the same, let me put here the screenshot here, the same reference ID for M-Pesa here at the left side. The same reference ID RFA69 is the same as this. RF46 94 is the same as that. So you will get all the transaction ID, the M-Pesa transaction ID. So here you can see, and also in your admin panel you can just come here and click orders so that you can see all the orders, and all the order, like for me this is the completed order. Here it is. Now just let me click this one. This is the complete order. You will see even the transaction ID will be here. So that's how it works. Now let's see how to install it and do other things. So this is how we are going to start integrating the Tinypesa. So in order to get the Tinypesa plugin, first you need to visit our website at umeskesoftware.com. Then you just click there. Then I have developed an online shop where you can shop all the plugin and all the source code. Is a digital shop where you can shop anything that you want from us. So it's a digital product. So you just click here at the top menu, shop. When you click shop, it will take you to shop.umeskesoftware.com. Here we have our products. Like here we have a general shop. So what we're interested in is the Tinypesa for WooCommerce. So you can just come here and purchase it at a cost of 2,000, only 2,000 shillings. Then you can just add it to cart. You add it to cart, then you can go check out. So this is how you can get it. You can just buy it from here, or you can do this. You can just come here and search Tinypesa plugin. When you search Tinypesa, it will appear as the topest here at Tinypesa WooCommerce. So that's the plugin. You can just click it. Click the first link that will appear for Miskia Software Shop. Then here, this is where you can purchase it from here. You can just add it to cart and then pay. Continue the process just like purchasing an e-commerce. Then it will show you an link to download it. So let me first log into my account so that you can see. I want to log into my WordPress account. Yes, yeah, I think this is already logged in. Let me just do this, then log in, so that I can access I can show you on how you can purchase your things. Reload. Let me reload. So here you can just click my account. Then my account, you can see my orders that I made. This is the orders that I made. After you have paid, you will get something like this. So this is let me view. This is a completed version of Tinypesa. Here, this is where you can, after you have paid, this is where you will be given a link to download. So you can just click here. When you click, it will already have been downloaded to your where you store your downloads. So let me visit my downloads. So here I can just open the folder where it is. So this is the Tinypesa plugin here, which has been stored on the downloads. So let me cancel here. Then I'm going to log in into my WordPress account so that I can show you on how to install it on your WordPress account. So here, for me here, I've already logged in into my WordPress account. So you can just come here at plugin, then install plugin. Let me first, I had already installed the plugin. That's why when you come here and visit, the shop here, let me come and visit the shop homepage. When you come here, I want to make on how you can purchase it. So when you come here, you can just click like here, test product, then checkout. When you come to the checkout, it will show all the calculation. Then here the user can fill the information. So you can come here, you can see I have the Tinypesa plugin here. Then so I can add. I had already installed the plugin because I was using it to test it. So here, let me return here back. So, and you can see here, this is the Tinypesa. So let me uninstall it first from my plugin. When you click plugin, then install, you can just come here at Tinypesa. Then let me deactivate it first because I had already installed it. Then let me delete it. Yeah, now I want to show you how you can install it. Just add here. Then you can click upload. Then you can choose the file, the zip file that you downloaded after paying. Then just pick it from where it is. Then you can just click install. After you click install, then you can just come here and add activate plugin. You just activate it, yeah, and wait it. Now you can see here, when you scroll at the bottom, you can see it was already activated. Now in order for it to work perfectly, just come here to WooCommerce, then click settings. After clicking settings, you can come to payments. You can come to payments, then you can see here I have Tinypesa. Make sure it is enabled. It is enabled here. Then you can just click here manage. manage. Then here you will set there will be default like Tinypesa, then placement. Here you will find default values. You can add your merchant name. Then you will go to Tinypesa. Here you can log in into your Tinypesa. Let me log into mine. Tinypesa. Let me log into Tinypesa first so that you can see here. You can just only, those who have seen my tutorial, you can just log in into your Tinypesa account, then get your API key, then place it here so that it can work. Then do this. Let me show you how you can get your Tinypesa API key, then how you can place this callback URL. So log in into your Tinypesa account. Let me access it. Yeah, no, not get. Let me sign in because I have already have an account. Now let it wait. I'm going to use the same one as that. Scare, then get link. Yeah, and go back. So let me go and log into my Gmail account, the Gmail account that I already sent, dumeskia.gmail. Let it load, and you can just click here. Let me click here. Oh, let me click not that one. I don't want that Gmail. I want this Gmail here. Now let's stop it there. Yeah, wait it to open so that we can get our link to access our dashboard. So here, this is our link. Let me click it. So here I can click the link so that I can log in into my account. Yeah, now here I've already, this is my till number. Now I can just come here at developers. At developers, make sure you take this. You take this API key. This API key here. Then come and place it here. Come and place it there. Then copy the link that will appear here. You will have your unique link. This is a callback link that will be created according to the site that you installed the WordPress. So just copy the link, then just come here at webhooks on developer so that all the payments that will be made to your website will be updated. So you just come here and paste it, then update webhook. When you update it, now your website will be, the Tinypesa will be already be installed the Tinypesa will be installed in your website. Now you can just click here save, then all the information that you will update here will be saved. The most important thing, you need to just add your API key from Tinypesa, then add this callback URL into your webhook on your Tinypesa. Everything will be okay. Now when you come to your checkout area, you will see Tinypesa will appear. So even if you come here to plugins, then let me deactivate it and see if it will. Let me reload it first so that you can see that the Tinypesa mark is still there. Then you can see it's still there. So let me deactivate the plugin. Let me deactivate the plugin. Yeah, now I have deactivated it. So you can come here, you see it is not activated, it's deactivated. So let me reload. You can see when I deactivate the plugin, it is you cannot find it here. You cannot find it here. So let me activate it again. Let me activate it. Now you see now here it is already activated. When I reload back again, I can let me reload. You see it has already appeared. So it means that Tinypesa is working on our website. So this is how you install the Tinypesa plugin. And we also have another plugin, which is the M-Pesa plugin. So you can just purchase it at a cost of 2,000 shilling, and I will provide the link of buying of how you can buy the Tinypesa. I'll just provide a link where you can click, then purchase it, then install it using the process that I've shown you. so that you can install it in your website, and will be able to collect payments on your website, which will be auto completed after the payment have been made. So that's my video, and that's how you install Tinypesa plugin into your website. So see you in my next video, and if you're new, just please subscribe. Let us reach 1,000 subscriber, so I will really appreciate, and it will motivate me to do more, because I have a lot of content where I can share with you. And if you're willing to support me by subscribing, I'll really appreciate. So see you in the next video.